Onika Joseph. Hello everyone again. Like Miss Brianna would have rightfully said, my name is Miss George. Now our group member was tasked with creating a game for the middle and the late childhood. Now we would have considered all of our learning abilities, the children with the learning abilities that we have, and we would have created a game called Race with Maths. Now if you zoom closer into our game, you would notice that we have some marvelous colors to attract the children's eyes. We have different colors carved. Now our game has the rules. My colleagues and I will take you through the rules of the game, and we're going to play the game so you guys can see. Now our first rule is that we can have 6 or more players on a monitor. Now the board here, we call it the monitor. It's considered as the monitor. Now our arrow here is where the children are going to spin the arrow, and based on where the arrow stops, that is where they need to use the card to indicate to solve the answer.
In order for us to start the game, for us to enter the game, we must roll a 6.
Go through. Now you spin.
So after you get the 6, you spin,
11.
and you use your card from the start. The sum is 1,122 divided by 11. And the answer for that is 102.
So, as we throw the dice, if Miss Shayna now gets a 6, she will enter the game. But unfortunately, herself and myself were not able to get that 6, so the dice now go back to Miss Onika, which she will continue to play.
Yes, until the others enter.
Got 6. So I will start here, and now I will spin on the clock where to give me a number. Let's use 10. So I will drive to 10. And my sum is 0.55 divided by 11. Now, you will be tasked to do that sum, and we know that this is division. So the answer for that will be 0.05. So back to Miss Onika. 5. And Miss Onika's sum is 0.56 divided by 7.
Good. So I was able to get a 6. Good. So I was able to get a 6. So what I'm going to do is to spin our timer, and I was able to land on the number 13. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go from the start, and I'm going to use my car and go around until I land on the number 13. Now, on number 13 here, it have the option for the student to get a token. Now, for the number 13, it said, please take a pencil. So now I'm going to leave my car here, and I'm going to be able to get a little token while I'm playing the game. Thank you.
Okay, boys and girls and miss. Now, we have finished giving you an illustration of how our maths game, Race with Maths, is being played. Now, for every sum that the child was able to work and they got that answer correct, a token from our token kit will be given to that child. Now, this is brought us to the end of the game, and now I'll hand you over to my colleague.
All right. So when my team members and I sit and completed the game, we integrated other subject area. We have the reading. The children were able to read the rules, and they were able to identify words that they were not familiar with. For the maths aspect, we also bring out not only division we look at, but we also bring out a little multiplication, skip counting, and addition. Now, we would have also looked at numbers. Now, some of the children are only familiar with smaller numbers. So when we did the game, the children were able to learn bigger numbers. And that is it. Thank you.